up, guys? I'm actually at work right now, so I'm gonna make this quick, but we have some cool things lined up. I think the next clip you're gonna be seeing is probably me either driving to Lauren's spot or showing up at her doorstep. One of those two. We're gonna do some fun stuff this weekend. What's up, guys? I'm finally off work. It's nighttime now, and I am headed over to Lauren's spot. I'm hoping that I'm going the right way because I don't have maps open. But you know, shit happens. Alright, we'll see you there. Let me close my windows. Guys, I'm on the fucking highway right now. Cybertruck. What the fuck? I think I just missed my exit because of that, though. I'll check it. Yo, is that turbo? 360 camera, though? 360 camera, though?
Step Brothers pose. Get down, get down, get down. Step Brothers? Yeah, yeah. You trying to get rid of them? Number one, guys, number one. That's right. You got good footage right there. Hey man, I probably delete everything until the last like 5 minutes. Y'all be safe, man. You have a good night. You have a good night. I really fist bump, man.
Okay. Here. Hold up. Ah, get out of there. Oh, dude, I've hit like a...
That makes sense because that's set up really good.
This is Lauren. We're using her new rig setup. Jesus Christ, dude. Alright, me and Lauren just got her camera set up. We are about to go shoot some rollers, and that'll probably be up next in the vlog, and then we're gonna go hit Cookout, so hopefully Ty will meet us there. Me and my boys play footsies. Oh, it's filming now. What up, Chet?
Chat, what up? Oh wait, can we not see while it's filming?
I guess not, usually you can. That's true. Preview is not supported. It's going in the vlog, dude.
Shocker.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Right. Y'all see that? Wait, I'm gonna stand right here, right? And I'm gonna be like, y'all see that spoiler right there? And then zoom, pan back, kinda goofy.
You're brutal. You are brutal.
Alright, I'm just gonna follow y'all then.
Turn the...
goofy as hell. What's up, guys? So, a few things happened. First of all, I ran out of storage on my phone, so I couldn't record anymore on that. Second of all, the camera battery died. Third of all, the cops started getting angry at us, so we dipped out. Nobody got pulled or anything, but we made it back to Ty's. We're gonna be waking up in like 4 hours. What the fuck is up, guys? It's like 6 in the morning. We slept like a total of 25 minutes each. Ty doesn't know what's going on. It's been a long night, but yeah, we're about to head over. We're gonna get some Waffle House, then we're gonna hit up Caffeine and Octane is the plan. All right, we're finally heading over to Caffeine and Octane. We just finished eating. I'm setting my camera up. Maybe we'll get some B-roll right here. All right, we're gonna be rating cars here today. This one right here, shit. I'm joking, Steven, I love you. Fun little fact, 3000 GT. My mom used to own one of these. Another fun fact, my grandpa owned a 10th anniversary Fairlady Z. And my mom currently owns a 50th anniversary 370. Probably like a super underground car, honestly. And twist it. There you go. And
why clutch all the way down?
okay. Now take your foot off the clutch. I don't give a shit. Rev it.
Let him rev it.
Rev it. Rev it.
Rev it without the brake.
I don't give a fuck.
Brakes on.
Alright, that's enough.
Holy shit, bro.
What's up, guys? So we made it to C&O. That was fun. There's probably a bunch of B-roll that you just saw, but now we're at Revolving Sushi Factory. The fuck are we doing after this? Oh, we're gonna go get more rollers. That's pretty much this entire video. So I totally missed an update. We got home, made it home safe. I'll probably have some footage in between this and that. I have so many people getting footage for me right now and all that stuff, so I'm really it's gonna be an amalgamation of a bunch of different people's footage, mostly mine, but Lauren's there. I think Ty got some. I'm not sure. But we're actually headed over to our buddy Preston's house right now to go film some more rollers. And I got home, I showered, we're back on it. I'm running off of no sleep. I literally didn't sleep last night. We ball though, we ball.
Get a little wet. I'm fucking soaked!
Bad news, guys. The weather's not great. There's your gift. There's your gift. Oh shit!
A cop followed me, and I slowed down because I was like, I'm not catching up to him. I got pulled over. and then he asked me who went by him because he couldn't see the color of the car and couldn't see license plates. So he then proceeded to write me a warning and tell me that he might write me a ticket, and then I had to get the ticket dismissed in court. In court.
You can't just write you
Because he brought up his speed and put it on my ticket.
So this is gonna be another triple gap run. Really quick here. I wanted to get a face cam for it, but it's way too dangerous to be taking without knowing my map. So I'm just gonna have to do it without the face cam. Once I get like an actual cam for inside my car, or once Preston charges his GoPro and lets me use it, this won't be an issue. But I'm excited for this. Hey. Hey.
Okay, there you go. There's your functional noose.
Yo, you want to shut the fuck up?
Look, it's little crab.
Whoa!
So when you get the funny flip, when you get the funny flip,
Oh, yeah, the magnet. Yeah. I can get it before my nose.